Musical note: 1-minute story poem script, The Sleepy Moon and the Dreamy Bear. Soft, gentle music starts, night sounds in the background. Crescent moon. In a quiet forest far away, lived a bear who loved to play. Every night, before he'd sleep, he'd look at the moon, calm and deep. One night, Moon looked tired and blue. Dreamy Bear said, "What's wrong with you?" The moon replied with a sleepy tone, "I shine so bright, yet feel alone." The bear smiled wide, his voice so sweet, "Don't be sad, Moon, our hearts can meet. Let's dream together, high and free, on clouds that sail above the sea." They closed their eyes, the stars danced bright, the sky turned soft with silver light. Moon felt loved, no longer bare, all because of Dreamy Bear. When morning came with golden ray, Moon whispered low, "I'll dream all day." And Bear slept tight in soft Moon's glow, with gentle dreams that shimmered slow. Glowing star moral: kind hearts make every night brighter.